Hello guys, hello children, how are you? Welcome to your channel Educational Plaza. Educational Plaza channel में आप सभी का स्वागत है. Today in my this video I am going to discuss about map questions related to class 7 annual exam portions. So first of all we'll start it with the world map. Here you can see world map given. You try to identify different continents. Here it is A, it is B, here C, it is D, E, F, and here is G. So these are 7 continents. You identify which continent is A, which continent is B, which continent is C, which continent is D, which continent is E, and which continent is F, and which continent is G. You have to identify it. Have you identified? You may pause the video, take time 1 minute and write down the name in your copy and check yourself with the answer, which I am going to show you in my next slide. Now here is your answer. You match your answer. Match your answer with this world map. You can see which one was your A, that is North America, the B, which is South America. You have seen it. Yes. So on, you match this. Here it is Africa, it is Europe, Asia, Australia, and here in the South Pole there is white color. Here you can see it is Antarctica. So these are the 7 continents of the world. In this you can also see Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. So in this map you can see clearly continents and ocean. You can also see here prime meridian. You can see here 0 degree, that is equator. Here it is equator. So area towards the North Pole from equator, it is northern hemisphere, and area from the equator to South Pole, equator से south की तरफ जो areas हैं, these areas where my cursor is moving, that is southern hemisphere, and North America, Europe, Asia, it is completely in northern hemisphere. South America, some part is in northern hemisphere. Africa is in both hemisphere. Australia is completely in southern hemisphere. So very easily you can understand this. Large mass of land, that is continents, and big mass of water, large mass of water, that is ocean. So I hope you have matched your answer and you can understand how many you are correct. Now it is map of India, map of our country. Try to find out the name of states and union territories. Only you focus on, not ABCD, you focus on numbers. As here 1 is given, 1 it is which state, 23 is which state, 11 is which state, 12 is which state, 14 is which state, 7 is which state, 21 which state, 13 which state, 5 which state, 24 which state. You have to write the name of these. You have to identify the states by this year number. 19 which state, 25 which state, then 17 which state, 15 which state, 18 which state, 2 which state, 3 which state, 22 which state. You have to identify this. 16 which state, 4 which state, 10 which state, 28 which state, 26, 27, 9, 20, 8. These are the states. 6. These are the states. And here E, that is Ladakh, and D is Jammu Kashmir. Now they are not the state, they are union territories. And here it is Delhi, NCR, that you can see here. So pause the video and write down and try to identify the name of states. It is very necessary for your this exam and also for senior classes. Being a student, if you are studying SST, you must know, you must identify all the states and union territories of our country. अगर हम भारत के नागरिक हैं, भारत के सिटीजन हैं, भारत में रहते हैं और हम सच्चे भारतीय हैं, तो हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम हमें भारत के एक एक इंच भूमि को पहचानें, उनका नाम जानें। हर राज्य का नाम हमें मालूम होना चाहिए, उनका कैपिटल हमें मालूम होना चाहिए, यूनियन टेरिटरीज मालूम होना चाहिए। Being citizen, whether we are a student or grown up, no problem. Now you match your answer with another slide. अब ये इंडिया का मैप है, इससे आप अपने आंसर को मैच कर लीजिए, किस नंबर में कौन सा था आप देख सकते हैं। लद्दाख नाउ यूनियन टेरिटरीज, ये हिस्सा अभी पाकिस्तान के कब्जे में, थोड़ा हिस्सा चाइना कब्जे में। देन जम्मू कश्मीर नाउ इज ओनली दिस पार्ट। राजस्थान, पंजाब, उत्तराखंड, हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, झारखंड, छत्तीसगढ़, उड़ीसा, तेलंगाना, आंध्र प्रदेश, कर्नाटका, तमिलनाडु, गोवा, महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात, this side is Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Sikkim here, where my cursor is moving, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, it is here Assam, the yellow part, Assam, then here is Meghalaya, here is first Nagaland, then is Manipur, then is Mizoram. Union territories, you can see here Chandigarh, Union territories, Delhi here, Union territories, Jammu Kashmir, Union territories, Ladakh, Union territories. Then you can see a Puducherry, Union territories, Dadra, Nagar Haveli, Daman, the Union territories, Lakshadweep, Union territories, Andaman Nicobar, Union territories. I hope you have matched your answer. Now moving to your chapters. Tropical grasslands. Here also you can see equator, then Tropic of Cancer, equator, Tropic of Capricorn. It is grasses, campos, lianos, savanna, ट्रॉपिकल ग्रासलैंड, दे वर ट्रॉपिकल ग्रासलैंड, जो इस एरिया में इक्वेटर से ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर के बीच और इक्वेटर से ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न के बीच जो टेरिटरी होती है, दैट इज नोन एज ट्रॉपिकल रीजन, इट इज नोन एज ट्रॉपिकल रीजन. तो दिस पार्ट सवाना, कैंपोस, लायनोस, these are the tropical grasslands. Yes, savanna in Africa, campos and lianos in South America. Savanna here also kinds, it is Australia. Here it is, you can see Ganga river basin, this area, the area through which Ganga river flows, that is basin, Ganga basin. Uttarakhand, it is coming out, rising from Himalayas, and then you can see coming to Uttar Pradesh, entering Bihar, and from Bihar one stream has gone to West Bengal, another to Bangladesh, and from here China and Arunachal Pradesh areas it is coming Brahmaputra. Here in this map you can see Thailand, Myanmar, Bhutan, Nepal, neighboring countries in eastern part of and northern part of India. वेस्ट में आप पाकिस्तान देख सकते हैं. हियर श्रीलंका, neighboring countries. श्रीलंका, here it is Thailand. You have to prepare this question. थाईलैंड का एक क्वेश्चन आपके पास है मैप का. द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट वीकेंड मार्केट, दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा वीकली मार्केट थाईलैंड में लगता है. पेज नंबर 198 चैप्टर 23 का ये क्वेश्चन है. So it is the Thailand. Now here you can see where Ganga rivers and Brahmaputra rivers in Bangladesh they meet together. ये असम होते हुए अरुणाचल प्रदेश असम होते हुए then coming to little part of Meghalaya and entering into Bangladesh where they join with Ganga river and then falls into Bay of Bengal. और in this triangular area जो आप देखते हैं यहाँ green part that is land और ये जो ब्लू पार्ट है दैट इज वाटर स्ट्रीम, पानी की धारा. जब जहाँ पे नदियाँ समुद्र में मिलती है वहाँ उनकी धाराएं, उनका स्ट्रीम्स फ्लोज कई हिस्सों में बट जाता है पतले पतले धारे में. और बीच में जो ग्रीन कलर में है दे आर लैंड बिटवीन द स्ट्रीम्स. दे आर इन ट्रायंगुलर इन शेप, जनरली ट्रायंगुलर इन शेप. दे आर नोन एज डेल्टाज. They are known as deltas, Sundarban deltas. Here you can see in West Bengal Sundarban deltas. Now here it is location of veld grasslands. You can see in Africa and country is South Africa. Country South Africa, continent will be Africa. Kalahari desert where river Orange flows, and here you can see river Limpopo. It is flowing through veld grassland. Cities are here Johannesburg, Pretoria, so that you can see. Here is a mountain also, Darksburg mountain. So it is veld grasslands in South Africa. Sahara desert, here you can see in Africa, northern part of Africa you can see सहारा डिजर्ट. अफ्रीका के नॉर्थ हिस्से में आप देखिए यहाँ सहारा डिजर्ट. हियर इज रिवर. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर इट इज सहारा डिजर्ट ऑफ अफ्रीका. यस, यू आर राइट. सहारा डिजर्ट ऑफ अफ्रीका. Any problem? I think should not have problem. It is hot desert. Sahara desert is hot desert located in Africa. The Sahara is the world's largest and the hottest desert on the earth. The word Sahara means in Arabic its meaning is desert, Registan. It covers almost the entire northern part of Africa. Northern part of Africa. It lies between Atlantic Ocean. In the west Red Sea, ये रेड सी यहाँ पर है वर्ल्ड मैप में आप देखेंगे. In the east Mediterranean Sea. In the north ऊपर में Mediterranean Sea is here. यहाँ देखिए ये ब्लू कलर में Mediterranean Sea. In the north and huge amounts of sand dunes. In the south it is also bounded by a chain of mountains in the north called the Atlas. Atlas जो माउंटेन है इसके चारों ओर उसको कहते हैं chain of mountains. It is also bounded by a chain of mountains known as Atlas Mountains. It is known as Atlas Mountains. Which river is this? It is river Nile. Only this one river, and the area around this river is only green, showing green. So in desert area, river Nile is the main source of agriculture, main source of water for agriculture and other needs. Students, moving to this part, it is very important. It is temperate grasslands. Temperate grasslands, you can see in North America, temperate grassland is prairies. In this part, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर से नॉर्थ में इट इज़ टेम्परेट जोन, और ये जो ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर और ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न के बीच है दैट इज़ ट्रॉपिकल जोन. सो आप देखे थे इससे पहले वाले स्लाइड में मैंने दिखाया था कैंपस सवाना, दैट वाज इन ट्रॉपिकल, दैट वाज ट्रॉपिकल ग्रासलैंड, बट इट इज़ टेम्परेट. देखिए इधर ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न के साउथ में, डाउन्स इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, पैम्पास इन साउथ अमेरिका, स्टेप्स इन एशिया, वेल्ड इन साउथ अफ्रीका मीन्स अफ्रीका कंटिनेंट, पुस्टेज इन यूरोप, very small one, and prairies in North America. So you prepare them for your exam point of views. It is very important for your examination, very important. In the exam may be asked locate or identify the temperate grasslands shown on the world map. You may be told, instructed to locate prairies, pampas, steppes, downs and veld. Here it is cold desert, that is Ladakh. You can see here cold desert, that is Ladakh in India, India's cold desert. Question may be asked related to this. One question is here. Paris, the world's largest wholesale market for fresh produce. For fresh produce, it is France और फ्रांस का कैपिटल यहाँ पेरिस. वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट होलसेल मार्केट, फ्रेश ताज़ा जो कोई सामान बनता है उसका फ्रेश जो प्रोडक्ट है उसका सबसे बड़ा होलसेल मार्केट, दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा होलसेल मार्केट है. ये फ्रांस का मैप है, उसमें ये शहर है यहाँ पेरिस. यू कैन सी हियर. And it is, this part is where my cursor is moving, and here you can see I am showing this line. It is what? China. चाइना पे भी क्वेश्चन है 23 से. द लार्जेस्ट मार्केट इन द वर्ल्ड, सबसे बड़ा मार्केट इन द वर्ल्ड. दिस पार्ट, होल पार्ट इज चाइना, वेयर माई कर्सर इज मूविंग, होल पार्ट इज चाइना, दैट यू कैन सी. इंडिया लार्जेस्ट इमर्जिंग मार्केट इन द वर्ल्ड. हियर इट इज इंडिया लार्जेस्ट इमर्जिंग मार्केट, राइजिंग मार्केट, पूरे दुनिया में उभरता हुआ बाजार, दैट इज इंडिया. देन हियर यूएई, यू कैन सी. दुबई, द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट शॉपिंग मॉल इज लोकेटेड हियर. दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा शॉपिंग मॉल, लार्जेस्ट शॉपिंग मॉल लोकेटेड देयर. So students, in this map also there is from chapter number 22. It is very important for your examination point of views. Map skill civics chapter 22. Kerala, the state with highest female sex ratio. जहाँ पे पर 1000 मेल फीमेल की संख्या ज़्यादा है, सबसे ज़्यादा है, वो हाईएस्ट फीमेल सेक्स रेशियो वाला स्टेट कौन है? इट इज़ 12 नंबर केरला. 12 नंबर केरला. द स्टेट्स विद द लोएस्ट फीमेल सेक्स रेशियो, सबसे कम महिलाओं की संख्या पर 1000 मेल, पर 1000 फीमेल मीन्स लेस नंबर ऑफ फीमेल इन कंपैरिजन टू मेल. दैट स्टेट इज हियर 8 नंबर हरियाणा. 8 नंबर हरियाणा. In your book exercise map skill it is given third question, Rajasthan, the state with the lowest female literacy rate. सबसे कम पढ़ी लिखी महिलाएं, lowest फीमेल लिटरेसी रेट कहाँ पे है? तो राजस्थान में, हियर वेयर माई कर्सर इज मूविंग, इट इज राजस्थान। देन बिहार, द स्टेट विद द हाईएस्ट फीमेल मोर्टेलिटी रेट, बिहार 4 नंबर, यहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा महिलाओं की मृत्यु का रेट, वेयर इट इज इन बिहार। एंड महाराष्ट्र, द स्टेट गिविंग हाईएस्ट रिजर्वेशन टू बैकवर्ड क्लासेस, महाराष्ट्र में सबसे ज़्यादा बैकवर्ड क्लास को रिजर्वेशन मिला है, इट इज़ 14 नंबर महाराष्ट्र। सो इट इज़ मैप्स रिलेटेड टू चैप्टर 22. So 23 also I have discussed map question related to China. We have discussed about India, UAE, Dubai, Bangkok and Paris. Now we are moving to another parts, geographical parts I have also discussed. So in the examination, questions may be asked related to locate the hot deserts and cold deserts. Locate to hot deserts and cold deserts. जैसे आप इसमें देख सकते हैं, here it is temperate grasslands, it is cold deserts. Same way question may be asked on hot desert and cold desert. This way students, I have discussed map practice, they are very important and I hope it will help you a lot in your preparation of examination. So if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it, and if you find the video useful, please like it. Also press the bell icon so that you can get the notification. Thanks for watching. Thank you.